Gonna get a picture from down here. Is that street sign in the way?
It saw it from the hotel.
What? I've got no directions from here.
Yeah.
Can you see
Mountain, yeah. Go in there, dinosaur see you. Nakakatakot siya. Galing kami sa baba. Ayun. You know. Kita nyo yan?
Nice view, huh?
Nakakatakot. Ayun. Nasa taas na kami ng tuktok, guys.
Oh, there's a big dinosaur.
Yeah. Hi, dinosaur. See you for a bit.
Dinosaur Park. You got it?
Yeah.
The dinosaur park there?
Yeah.
Hold on.
We're here in the dinosaur park. And dito sa Rapid City. Yung view niyan sa likod doon, makikita mo yung hotel saan kami nagstay. So nandito kami, ayun sa tapat niya, Dinosaur Visitor Center. Yan yung center dito, or center. Basta center dyan. Center, yun na yun. So Dinosaur Park's Visitor Center is here at the back and then in the front. Ito. Ang ganda niya. Lagi ko siya nakikita araw-araw sa bahay, ay dun sa hotel kasi pag park ng car, siya yung nasa tapat, makikita mo siya. Yun, 5 minutes lang pumunta rito pero nakakatakot yung daan kasi nag-snow. And Corby. Diba? Oh. Picture tayo. Ang ganda niya. Ganda dito. Nakakita nga ako ng deer. Ayun, 4 na deer. Ayun, so may 4 na deer dun. Ang ganda ng city. Picture natin yung city. Paano ba? Hindi ko makita yung city dito eh. Makikita mo sa baba. Paka taas namin. Pansinin nyo. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Diba? Nasa baba. Nasa taas kami. Tignan nyo yung baba. Oh. Rapid City. Hello. Picture natin yung city. Ang ganda. Puro snow, no? Ang ganda. Yun na. May deer din, no? Ayun na. Kikita nyo yung deer na yun, no? Mga gumagalaw. Diba? Ito yung pa ako. They're running.
Yeah. I saw 2, 4. I saw at least
4. See? They're running.
I saw at least 5. Try to get around this corner. Try to go slow so we don't spook.
Yeah.
See him right there?
Wow.
Tell me whether to stop or keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
They walking with us?
Yeah. Ang cute. Look at the city. Ang ganda niya.
See the dinosaur over there with the flag.
Oh yeah.
I am king of the boat.
Ang ganda ng city. Yeah. Speak just a video only.
Started at Dinosaur Park. We're overlooking Rapid City. Jinky's gonna jump. I'm gonna do a panoramic view. We saw some deer earlier. And now I'm going to get back in the car because I didn't bring my hat.
Yeah.
And there's Jinky again. Here you go.
Hey, look at the panoramic, the view. Ganda. Diyan o yung hotel namin dyan. Diyan sa mga yan dyan sa baba. Ang ganda. That's cell tower. Ano? Okay. That's it muna. Pass yung show natin. Ang lamig. Sobra naglaro ako ng snow. Lamig na kamay ko. Bakit pink yung bibig ko? Nalalamig yan. Agay. Tapilok man ako.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Snow covers the ice.
Yeah. It's cell tower again.
What's down there? Big ravine? Down there, babe. There's an interstate.
Good morning. Today is Monday early in the morning, guys. 6:44. 1 degree. Wow. 1 degree yan. Ang lamig. Okay, we have road trip 4 hours going to the cave. And then di kami uwi, guys. Bukas pa kami uwi. Ay, ako sabihin niyo, palit ulit yung mga suot ko, ha? Ganito sabihin ko sa inyo, ang dami kong pajama, pants, medyas. Sa ilalim ko, meron akong, parang leggings na makapal, pampaano siya sa lamig. Tapos may damit ako na maliit, may damit pa ako na malaki. Ganon. Tapos may jacket pa ako, may nari-jacket pa ako. Tapos may sombrero. Di ba, doble-doble ko sabihin niyo, ha? Kasi, oo, yung jacket ko, inuulit ko siya kasi hindi naman siya madumi. Hindi nalabas ko siya pag alis naman kami. So, ba rin agad pag-uwi, diba? Nauulit siya kasi ang nadala kong jacket is 4 lang. At ito yung jacket ko na 4 na panlaban lang siya sa lamig, guys. So, hindi pwedeng jacket na normal lang. Tulad ditong normal na jacket. Abay, dahil hanggang singit at kikol mo dahil ang lamig. Araw-araw ako. Wala, hindi ako alam ng gamot. Feeling ko talaga magkakasapin na ako dito. Hindi lang gamot. So, yun lang. Confirm ko na kayo. Chay. Tara yung person yan. breakfast, lunch na namin. Dito na kami sa Saw Falls, guys. More than 4 hours biyahe namin. Kaya na, lunch time. Already here, guys, inside the game. We are in Saw Falls. 4 hours away from Rapid City, but this is still South Dakota. So, we're gonna watch tonight for hockey game. As always, we're here for hockey game for a week.
Courtesy of Sioux Falls Specialty Hospital.
Sioux Falls! Dami ng tao,
The athletic trainer is Derek Presaver, and the equipment manager is
Oh, this is where they sit down. I thought there.
That's the penalty box.
Okay.
Don't ever ask your boss.
So, the game is over, guys. Nasa gas station na kami ngayon. Kumain na lang kami sa Burger King. Yes, nag-burger lang kami and then fries. Excuse me. Lalaro. And then, ang tawag doon? Sabihin ko. Ayun, last day na namin bukas dito sa Tugigaraw. Nagstay kami sa Days Inn in Rapid City. So, wala kami sa hotel. Mas malayo ka na naman kami. Which is, nagbiyaya kami dito ng 4 hours. We are here in Sioux Falls. Mahirap intindihin, no? Pero nahirapan no sa spelling. Pero dito, nakikita nyo naman, Sioux Falls. Pauwi na kami ngayon.
The Iowa, South Dakota.
So, ayan na. Nakita na namin, guys. Naligaw pang konti, no? Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota. Dito kami. You wanna take a picture here?
I'm gonna see if I can get a picture.
Surprise na nandito kami bigla. Kala ko uwi na kami. So that was a cool surprise, di ba? So nagulat ako, Zay. Dinala niya ako dito, Zay. So di ko akalain na punta pala kami ng Iowa. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, ang lapit lang daw talaga ng Iowa sa Sioux Falls. Nandito kasi kami sa Sioux Falls. So, hindi siya abot ng mga 20 minutes mula dito. Or let's say 20 minutes lang. Dito na Iowa na, Minnesota na. Pangarap ko dati makarating dito na Minnesota. Kasi nakita ko talaga sa Minnesota. Ang gaganda ng mga puno habang nag-i-snow. Ang kapal. Before, nung mag-chat pa ako na Black Americana. Uy, ka-chat lang, kaibigan lang yun wala kang relasyon. So, may liga talaga ako before chat-chat lang kasi ang reason ko lang naman mag-English. So, back to the story. Ayun, ang ganda dito. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa Minnesota. Pero anyway, dumaan lang kami dito ha. Sa pakita niya lang sa akin yung lugar na since malapit naman daw, sabi niya, para daw mapuntahan ko naman yung ibang state. So, nakapunta ako ng South Dakota, nakapunta ako ng Wyoming, and then, that's different state ha. Iowa, and then here, Minnesota. Ay, nakaapat agad tayo, Zay. And then, first time ko nakadaan ng Dallas. Diba? Dallas. So, nakalima ako. Kasi nakapunta na ako ng Charlotte before, and then Sarasota. Yung dalawang yan, home, and then yung madalas na puntahan namin na airport. So, nakalima ako this gala. 1 week lang kami dito. Anyway, tomorrow is our last day. Uwi na rin kami ng Florida. So, yun lang update ko, and ayun, road trip tayo ulit. Gabi na, Zay, uwi na kami, pabalik ng aming hotel, and 4 hours pa. So, kahit makarating kami ng hotel, 1:00 na ng umaga. So, yun lang. Busy ang person picture. Still snowing. Kapag pa din ang snow, guys. Wow. Look at that snow in the car. Ay! Biskot ka na, lubog. Kapal ng snow. Ano? Lubog ako doon.
Brandon Buick GMC. Just search
inventory. Get 10-second trade values or schedule service. Click drivegranite.com. That's drivegranite.com. 60 years ago, Bob Dylan asked, "How does it feel to be on your own? Like a complete unknown."
Lamig.
Well, if you're in business today trying to attract new customers, it doesn't feel very good. I'm Jim Callis, General Manager of Riverfall Business Owner or Manager. We would like you to attend free as our guest. You'll see what a low-cost, affordable, effective marketing plan looks like. You'll receive a radio advertising campaign through the
degree outside. Muulan pa rin. Kain kami ng lunch kaya kami lalabas. City to Dallas. Dallas to Syracuse. Sarasota. Syracuse is New York.
You're gonna get more snow there
Sarasota.
than you will here.
No. I don't want to stay more here getting for a lot of snow. We eat here
I didn't know if it was better to get one of these or the big one.
Beans Diner, Campbell Beans Diner.
Probably go to
This is our lunch. Sarap. Kain tayo. Good morning. It's 2:26 in the afternoon. Ba't PM dito? Umaga na. So, morning siya, madaling araw, 2:26. Negative 10 Fahrenheit. Mamatay ko sa tugnaw dyan. Ang akong nawas, akong nagnamb, akong wait o kalit. Sus, grab tugnawa. Anyway, check out na namin kasi pupunta kami ng airport and ngayon na yung uwi namin pabalik ulit ng Florida. So, good morning anyway. It's getting so much crazy. Anyway, last night, as in, ayaw ko nang lumabas. Nag-away na kami kasi ayaw ko talaga lumabas. Kasi, kahit nagugutom ako, pero ayaw ko lumabas kasi alam ko ang lamig-lamig. Word na lamig. Lamig-lamig. Mas matindi pa doon. Abay mo, sobrang lamig talaga. Ang katawan mo, parang maninigas ka agad. So, ito, nagpagas na kami. Tignan nyo naman yung snow sa labas, guys. Hindi mo na makikita yung tamang daanan sa sobrang dami ng snow. Sa kaliliko. So anyway, date ko kayo once nakabarating kami ng airport. Grabe, parang patindi ng patindi ang lamig dito sa South Korea.
southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches.
Back down to -10.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Bye, Rapid City. Don't come back here for winter. No more. Too much here. You can kill the snow here. Oh my God. I don't want to go up anymore because of the cold. Okay, going to the airport na. Airport na kami dyan. Grabe yung takbo ko dyan. Lalamig pa rin ako ngayon. Close pa. Sarado lang tao. Kawakan na yung monument na napuntahan ko. Yung mukha ko lamig na lamig. Feeling ko dried. Feeling dry na talaga yung mukha ko. Dry na. Grabe, pinakamalamig kong naranasan, negative 10. Mamamatay. Naku, Zoy. Hindi na ulit dito, pero pupunta pa na sa may snow. Ano daw? Dito sa picture yung mga napuntahan namin na Black Hills, Rapid City. Ayan o, yung Devil's Tower, tsaka yung Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Mga napuntahan namin. Here we're going to Dallas na Paginain. Pasok na kami ng guys, airplane going to Dallas. Malamig. Nararamdaman ko na nung lumabas. Last na kami guys. Connecting flight namin going to SARS. Already here in Dallas. Ay, may tour ako. 4 months na ako. Tulog lang ako buong flight. Ngayon punta kami sa aming gates. Next flight connecting is going to
Prepaid
SARS.
customers are now welcome to board class 85 and 18 service to Lanier. Don't forget to place phone control out of this back.
Sakay na naman kami sa train nila dito. Yung Skyline. Natalis kay hindi shop. Kami guys kasi hindi namin kumain, wala pa kaming breakfast. Umalis kami doon ng Hotel 3, nakalis kami din sa yung airplane nakalis quarter 6, so dito na kami, time is 9. Lunch time. Sakay na kami guys. We're here in Dallas, going to our airplane. Last na to guys, we're going this flight to Sarasota. So last na, going home na tayo. Iwas na tayo sa malalamig. Sobrang lamig. Talagang naglakad siya. First time ko naglakad eh.
Huh?
You know,
I know, yeah, I'm with
go
you.
inside. Okay. We're back home. Happy to be back here in Florida. Look at the beautiful day and sunny day. Oh, na-miss ko to. Hindi sobrang init, hindi sobrang lamig, sakto lang. Ningal ako. Hi, happy na. Busy ang airport dahil. Welcome here. See? Sarasota International Airport. We're back here in Florida. Happy to be back here dahil. Hiningal naman ng person no eh.
Forward. I know. Welcome to the Sarasota Bradenton International Airport.
Sarasota Bradenton. We're back. Tapos lang namin tayo sa airport. Going back home na. Hey guys, we're already here in Palmetto, Florida. Anyway, we stop here in post office kasi baka may mga email siya. So usually dito madalas kapag isang buwan kaming wala, dito lahat yung buong box ng mga emails niya.
Yeah, we love you. We love you.